We're going to leave it there and shift our focus to some more news coming in, where the Karnataka High Court has granted relief to Jatin Hukkeri, the husband of Kannada actor Ranya Rao, amid concerns of his potential arrest by the Directorate of Revenue Intelligence. Hukkeri had moved the High Court, fearing that he might be taken into custody in connection with the ongoing gold smuggling case involving his wife. Senior advocate Prabhulang Navgari has represented Hukkeri, argued that his client had no involvement in the allegations against Ranya and had been fully cooperating with investigations. The court was informed that there was a risk of arrest without adherence to Supreme Court directives. Taking this into consideration, the High Court ordered that no arrest should be made without following proper legal procedures. Belly on the telecast with me. Belly, give us the updates at this point of time. Okay, I'd have to request you to unmute yourself, please.
Ranya Rao's husband, Jatin Hukkeri, had moved the Karnataka High Court with a writ petition after being questioned on 3 instances after his wife's arrest on March 3rd at the Kempegowda International Airport, where she was caught red-handed smuggling 17 bars of gold weighing 14 kilograms and worth up to 12.56 crore. He said that he was not informed. Initially, he was not informed about his wife's arrest, and from the third party is that he, from a watchman, he got to know that his wife was taken into custody by some unknown persons who are interrogating onto an alleged gold smuggling incident that had happened at Kempegowda International Airport. And he was subsequently, officials arrived at his house. There was a Mahajar done. There was a search and a raid conducted, after which they confiscated cash of over 2 crore and gold worth 2.2 crore. So he said that after that he had moved to his parents' home in Kormangla, where again the DRI officials came there at around evening, and then he was verbally taken into, verbally asked to come along with them for the interrogation, and he was detained until 3 a.m. Early morning, and he was again sent off. So these were the charges that he had mentioned on his writ petition against the DRI officials, who were issuing verbal orders and not showing him any notices or anything, and taking him to custody and recording his statements as that can suit their investigation needs, is what his allegation. So the court heard arguments from the counsel of Jatin Hukkeri, the husband of Ranya, from the senior counsel Prabhulang Navgari, who said that his client has been subjected to unnecessary harassment, even though he has clarified his stand on this case that he has no role to play in his wife's alleged gold smuggling is what he said. The court heard the counsel and had ordered that no coercive action would be taken by the DRI officials, and they will have to follow the due legal process in case if an arrest has to be made, and there would be no verbal notices or illegal detainment as such should happen from DRI side, Asavari.
All right.